Stop working harder. The AI landscape just shifted again in November 2025, and if you're still using basic ChatGPT, you are falling behind. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 new AI tools released this month that are completely changing the game, including one that can clone your entire workflow. Let's get into it. First up is the new Google VO3. We finally have a competitor that outpaces Sora. It's not just about quality anymore, it's about control. VO3 allows you to edit specific objects in a generated video without changing the whole scene. For content creators, this is the holy grail. You can use this to generate B-roll for your own channels without paying for stock footage. Next, we have Grok 4.1. While other AIs are heavily restricted, Grok's access to real-time data on X makes it the best tool for spotting trends before they go mainstream. The new deep search mode is now faster than Perplexity for finding obscure news. If you want to be the first to report on a topic, this is your research assistant. For the builders out there, Anthropic's Claude 3.5 remains undefeated for coding. But the new projects update allows it to manage multiple files at once. You can literally drag and drop an entire website folder and ask it to add a payment page, and it understands the context of every file instantly. We are moving from chatbots to agents. Microsoft's new Copilot agents don't just talk, they do. You can set up an agent to monitor your emails and draft replies for you to approve. It's like having a free virtual assistant running 24/7. And finally, tool number 5 is the reason I don't need a microphone. 11 Labs 3.0. They just released an update that includes speech-to-speech with emotional control. This means I can whisper into my phone and have it sound like a professional narrator shouting in a studio. If you are starting a faceless channel, this isn't optional anymore, it's the standard. It solves the biggest problem in AI content, sounding robotic. With this, you sound human. The gap between those who use AI and those who don't is getting wider. Don't get left behind. I've linked all these tools in the description below. If you want to know how to monetize these tools, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one.